In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Outlook. Highlighting text can be a great way to draw attention to important information within your emails, making it easier for recipients to focus on key points. So let's get started with the steps on how to do just that. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your device. Whether you're using the desktop version or the web-based application, making sure you're in the right environment is the first step. If you're not already signed in, now is the time to do so. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. You'll need to enter your email address and password to access your Outlook account. Once you're signed in, you'll notice all your familiar folders and options on the left side of the screen. Direct your attention to the New Mail button here. Clicking this button will open a blank email ready for you to compose a message. Feel free to type whatever text you want to include in your email. It doesn't have to be perfect from the outset since you'll have the opportunity to revise and format as you go. With your text ready, it's time to highlight the portion you want to emphasize. Click and drag your mouse over the text you wish to highlight, selecting it in the same way you would if you were going to copy or cut it. Once the text is selected, look for the highlight option in the text toolbar. You'll see a small icon that looks like a highlighter, often accompanied by a drop-down arrow. Clicking this arrow will present you with a palette of color choices. These colors range from vibrant yellows to more subdued shades, so you can select the one that matches your needs best or fits the aesthetic of your email. Simply click on the color you wish to use, and just like that, your selected text will be highlighted with the chosen color. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully highlighted text within your Outlook email. Highlighting is a straightforward yet powerful tool, allowing you to improve communication effectively by drawing readers' attention precisely where you want it. If you find yourself sending emails that need to emphasize certain points, this little feature will undoubtedly come in handy. So feel free to experiment with different colors and see how they can improve the clarity and presentation of your messages. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now geared up to make the most of text highlighting in your emails. If you have any questions or would like more tips on using Outlook, feel free to let me know. Happy emailing.